Still on fire since the first day I ever heard her speak.
One of the most successful women chiropractors, as well as one of the most successful chiropractors I've ever known in my life.
This is our time. As John F. Kennedy had postulated, if not us, who? If not now, when? This is our time. If you know that you want to make a difference, say yes. Yes.
If you want to be mentored by anybody, this is the young lady that you want in the world.
Powerful woman, across the board.
The two most important questions you can ask yourself: who am I, and why am I here? Rather than looking at your past mistakes or your past failures as roadblocks to stop you on your journey, look at them as stepping stones to help catapult you to where you want to be. You can overdo it. You can say yes too many times. You can run yourself ragged to the point where sleep will never fix how tired you are. Yes? You've been there. Yes, they have. They see it. Kids don't lie. They see it. Watch what you do at home, because they will tell. I want to see you realize this weekend that you are far more capable and far more powerful than you've ever given yourself credit for.
If you've ever been in a room with Dr. Cathy Sarvis, then you've felt that contagious energy that she just radiates, that feeling of success and confidence.
I live in a state of thankful expectation. I expect great things to happen in my life because I already gave thanks for them in advance as if they'd already happened.
This woman is absolutely passionate.
Sick people